In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import reviews for free onto your Shopify store. So for this, you want to sign into your account, then you want to go to apps over here and visit the Shopify app store, which is what I'll do right now. Then once we're in the store, we're going to download an app called Looks, which I'll show you in a bit. It's a pretty decent app that you can use to do this. So we're going to search for Looks just like that. It's this one over here. They have a 14-day free trial available, so we're just going to be using that. But this is definitely worth it. I'll show you why. So you want to install the app over here. And there we go. So I'm going to use it for free. Like I said, the 14-day free trial. Click on Let's Get Started. Continue. Continue. Alright, so we're going to skip all of this and then finish. Alright. So what I'm going to do right now is, as you can see right there, collect reviews. You can check out all of this over here, but you want to click on import reviews over here, and then we're going to select this one, so that this button, import to Looks, we're going to drag it onto our bar. There we go. If we then go to AliExpress, we can use that to get reviews from AliExpress, for example. So if I click on this product over here, if you then, like on the product page, click on import to Looks, this will show up. You can choose to add until 100 reviews, up to 100 reviews, So for example, it's this product, you then select that. So you're going to import the import the reviews to this product, for example. You can choose ratings, so 5 stars only, all countries, or only US, for example. You can do a translation, preview, and import. Alright, so none of those actually matched with this product, so I'll just go with any review right now. And there we go. So you'll then see reviews which you can then import or reject. So this product only has one review, which is not a great example, so I'll just go with this one. Hopefully this one has better reviews and more. So 100, just like that. There we go. These are a bit better. So you can then choose to import or reject them. And you can just keep doing this. So when you're done, you just want to click on the cross, and you've then imported those reviews onto your product. So I'm not sure which product I have selected. Is it this one? I don't know. Anyway, you saw that it actually works, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty simple app, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if this video helps you out, leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.